What if I told you there's an AI agent that can make money for you 24/7, but 99% of people can't use it because it's too technical? Today, I'm going to show you how to bypass all that complexity and start earning money with AI in less than 60 seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following AI news, you've probably heard about OpenClaw, this incredible open-source AI assistant with over 344,000 GitHub stars. It's basically a personal AI agent that can automate real-world tasks for you, clearing your inbox, sending emails, managing your calendar, checking you in for flights. The list goes on. And here's the crazy part. People are charging $500 to $2,000 per month for these exact services. Virtual assistants, social media managers, customer support agents. But here's the problem. To actually use OpenClaw, you need to be a developer. You need to set up servers, configure Docker, manage API keys, handle security. It's a nightmare. So most people see these opportunities and they walk away. Until today. Because today I'm going to show you how anyone with zero technical skills can deploy OpenClaw and start making money with it in literally 60 seconds. Let's talk about why OpenClaw has been out of reach for most people. I want to show you what it actually takes to set it up yourself. First, you need a VPS or cloud server. That means learning Linux commands, setting up SSH keys, configuring firewalls. Then you need to install Docker, Node.js, configure environment variables. Then you need API keys from OpenAI, Anthropic, maybe Google. And you have to manage all their costs separately. Then there's security. OpenClaw needs broad permissions to access your emails, calendar, messages, and you're responsible for keeping it all secure. And even after all that, you need to keep it running 24/7, which means your laptop has to stay on, or you need to pay for cloud hosting anyway. The honest reason most people weren't using OpenClaw wasn't ignorance, it was friction. The friction was real. But what if I told you there's a solution that removes all of that? Meet Abacus Claw. This is the managed, hosted version of OpenClaw that Abacus AI created. No servers, no terminal commands, no API key management. Just this. One click. That's it. Abacus Claw runs on their secure infrastructure, 24/7, with enterprise-grade security, pre-configured AI models ready to go, all the tools already integrated. And it costs just $10 a month for the Pro plan. And for the first month, you have to pay only $7. Now, I know what you're thinking. $10 a month? That's more than free. But think about it. Hiring someone to set up OpenClaw for you would cost hundreds, if not thousands. Running your own server would cost at least that much. This is actually cheaper, and for that $20, you get access to everything. Abacus Claw, Deep Agent, Chat LLM teams, the whole AI agent suite. But enough talking. Let me show you how this works. Once you're in, select the Abacus Claw from here. Okay, this is the OpenClaw dashboard. Here, you will find some ideas. On the right side, you will find the assigned machine. And it's working. That means we successfully deployed the OpenClaw with just a single click. Here, you will find the terminal, dashboard, and directory. All are ready to use. You don't have to do anything. Now, as our OpenClaw or Abacus Claw is ready to use, let's create an assistant with this. You can ask anything to build here in this box. We're going to build a money-making WhatsApp bot right now. So, I am clicking here, and you can see that the claw is working. It is asking for the number. I am entering the number. Now, it will configure all the system. Now, to connect our account, we have to scan this QR code, and your agent becomes a WhatsApp contact. Done. Now I can message this number like any other WhatsApp contact. Step 3. Let's configure what this bot can do to make money. I'm going to set up a virtual assistant service. First, we need some data to train the assistant. So I am entering Create a WhatsApp support bot. Read from this knowledge-based document. Match guests against this Google Sheet database. And that's it. That's the entire setup. Now look what's happening. The AI agent just connected to a Google Sheet with guests' booking information. Names, WhatsApp numbers, property names, check-in dates, checkout dates. It read the knowledge base with FAQs and property details. And it set up intelligent routing rules automatically. Let's watch the live demo. Check this out. A guest named Aushi sends a WhatsApp message asking if pets are allowed and requesting the Google Maps link. And within seconds, the bot responds with a personalized greeting using her name, confirms pets are welcome, and sends the exact address with a Google Maps link. Now, she asks about early check-in. The bot recognizes that this needs a real human and escalates to the host with a complete summary: guest name, phone number, booking ID, property, the specific request, and the original message. Now, here's the money plate. Think about every Airbnb host, every restaurant, every gym, every dental office, every real estate agent in your town. All of them are drowning in customer inquiries. All of them are answering the same questions over and over, and none of them have time for it. You walk in and say, "I'll set up a WhatsApp bot that handles your customer questions 24/7. It'll know your menu, your prices, your FAQs, your hours." It responds instantly. You never miss a customer again. That's it. Now you can sell this kind of service to any service-based platform and take a monthly subscription or one-time payment for setup. Okay, now let's talk about 2 more ways to make money. Create a social media content repurposing service. Here's how it works. Clients send you article links. Your agent automatically turns them into Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, and summaries, then saves everything to a Notion database. Connect Telegram, Twitter API, and Notion. Set your pricing. I charge $75 per article. When a client sends a link, the agent does all of the work. Now let's talk about another method: daily business intelligence briefing. This is my favorite. You create a daily briefing service for busy executives. The agent runs at 9 a.m. every day. It pulls data from the client's Gmail, their team's Slack, industry news, creates a personalized briefing, and sends it via Telegram. Charge $400 per month per client. Get 3 clients equals $1,200 per month. The agent does the work automatically every single day. The AI revolution isn't just for coders anymore. With tools like Abacus Claw, anyone can deploy powerful AI agents and create real income streams. What's stopping you from making an extra income? The technology is here. The opportunity is real. The barrier to entry is gone. Links in the description. Let me know in the comments which method you're trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.